the thread is throughout of wanting to affect people directly
Mhm.
and use my creativity, pedagogy, and my own mistakes to make it accessible and available to those who are ready to learn and those who are not there yet or who still feel a lot of shame, showing that there is a person that is going to tell you all the mistakes she made in her life and how she fixed them as a way to be like, there's another way. Whenever you're ready, there's another way to start looking at this. And what I realized throughout like my whole life in all of these situations is that there is no limit to our awareness level. And this is a little Hindu philosophy and Buddhist philosophy also. There is no limit to how much you can expand your awareness because I truly believe that. I mean, I've seen it in myself. Every day I'm learning so much and I'm changing. There's no limit to how we can improve ourselves. I also very strongly believe in constant self improvement. And that when you set the expectations of behavior really high, uh, people will meet them, and to not be afraid to set those expectations higher because we all deserve better. You know, when I first came out, my family had they were they were shocked. It's funny now. It wasn't funny then, but they were very shocked. And we joke about like when I was little, I made a toolbox for myself and I made business cards and
Oh,
I would go around the house
okay.
fixing things. And I was like, if that wasn't their first clue, but anyway, so they were very shocked. We still have the toolbox to this day. And there's still like change in there that I earned. But
Wow.
I had like a wrench and like socket wrench. I had all the tools. Anyway, so they were shocked and like we didn't speak for a while. And people would say to me, you just got to give them time. And I said to myself, why? What's there to think about? I'm still
Mhm.
me. And people would say, you've had your whole life to be queer. And I was like, "Well, not really. I mean, maybe I always knew there was something inside me, but like, this is all new to me too. But even if it weren't, like, why is that a justification for me to lower my expectations to the ground of how people should be treating me?
Mhm.
I don't respect that line of thinking. And no, my expectation is that you treat me properly, like like a human being.
Yeah.
And most people were just kind of like apologists for those who uh, weren't able to support and love right away. And I was like, well, that's unacceptable because I found myself comparing myself to things in society that aren't good. And I'm like, well, queerness has
Mhm.
nothing to do with good or bad. So why am I defending myself saying, well, at least I'm not that person who's like a terrible, at least I'm not a liar like that person. At least I didn't steal anything like that person. And it's like, wait a second. These are apples and oranges. This has nothing to do
Mhm.
with me.
Mhm.
And I'm not like, why am I comparing? There's nothing to compare. I'm just me and that's it. And I think the fact that I kept my expectations high, which I don't think they were high. I think it was just like being a normal person. But then people reach them. And had I lowered my expectations, I think my family's like bouncing back from this news would have taken much longer. So I
Mhm.
believe in setting high expectations for the behavior modification that you're looking for, because when you lower them, then people are like, well, I guess that's the high bar. No, say what the expectation is first and you wait for people to get there. And I think they get there faster. And that's what I try to do in my workshops too. It's not that people reach that expectation, but it is a demand I make up front. And I think it ought to be. You
Mhm.
all ought to be better. And, you reach your humility wherever it is, and then let's go forward. You don't need to have a lifelong dedication to activism. Start today, start anywhere. I bet if you start today, you can look back on your life and see all of the points in your life that brought you to this moment. But y- authentic activism starts at any point, and you don't need to be like, well, I've never really done this before. Start.